When I got blocked from a bloggers group in Facebook community for 30 days back in 2022, I quickly pivoted from blogging to vlogging using only my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and a handheld Brica B Steady gimbal. I've never looked back ever since. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Daniel Ong. In this video, I'm going to share how Samsung Galaxy phone has enriched my vlogging life. Along the way, I've learned vlogging techniques from so many people. One of the great people was Ali Abdal. He has emphasized so much on the title and the thumbnail creation. It's what the audience will do first once your video appears on the homepage, to click or not to click. I spend most of the time creating the title and an engaging thumbnail that people would click. This is where I brainstorm the ideas of the things that I wanted to create. My script writing has always based on my life experience, documenting a part of my life, or sometimes try to tell a story behind it. Because if you tell a story, you might get inspired the others along the way. And once I have done with my script, I will now film my intro and content. These were a few challenging conditions during my vlogging days using the Samsung Note 8. In a windy condition, you can hear a harsh wind on the background. Oh my god. There is a poor subject focus whereby the depth of focus is not satisfactory. The saturation colors are a bit bland here. The lighting is a bit dark here as well. Only when the lighting and angle is sufficient and correct, it makes the video golden rich. Under the low light condition, the pixel quality becomes compromised, including these 4 following videos. Nevertheless, they brought back beautiful memories that I'll never forget. Please, welcome. The wearable, the magnificent wearable. It's here. Everything will go wrong at the worst time, but you can't let that destroy your experience. I'm using the DaVinci Resolve to do the video editing after that. However, these days I get a freelance editor to do that for me. There are so many wrong turns that you can take in life. However, if you don't make mistakes, how are you going to learn and grow? Interacting with the locals was my best experience ever. With my fluent Indonesian language, the engagement becomes closer and better delivery of information in every conversation. Even sleeping with a date was my best and weirdest yet experience ever. Every decision has brought me to where I am right now and made me who I am. My life has been enriched by those decisions. The night when Samsung announced its new Galaxy S24 series, I did my pre-order for the S24 Ultra. The offers were absolutely amazing. Saving was almost 1/3 off the original price. It's a complete insane price that Samsung has ever offered. Every issue that Samsung faced on its phone's flagship has been perfected to excellence every generation. I'm going to do unboxing today. I just traded my Samsung Note 8 with S24 Ultra. So later I'm going to explain what are the things that I get in purchasing this S2 Ultra pre-order from Samsung. So there's a lot of goodies that I would like to share with you. Samsung, so I rip this off. Welcome to Samsung's life. Galaxy AI is here. By the way, I purchased this in Jakarta, Indonesia. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I bought this standing grip case, special casing for S24 Ultra. And this is the moment that we are waiting for, Galaxy S24 Ultra. These are the comparison of my old handphone Samsung Note 8 with S24 Ultra. A 7 generations gap, a huge improvement from 12 megapixels to a whopping 200 megapixels. 5G phones are must to have in this era. With bigger screen size and higher display resolution, obviously a heavier phone, the watch experience is enhanced. The memory speed is at top notch now. With bigger battery capacity of 5000 mAh, I can vlog longer with less worries on the batteries. For charging wise, I'm using the 65-watt charger adapter, which takes about 1 hour to be fully charged. With 1 terabyte, I have a peace of mind with endless creative video shooting. I can now have better selfie photos with both video and selfies of video of 8K and 4K. My video quality improves tremendously. Artificial intelligence has taken the world by storm these days. This new collaboration with Google to bring pixel-like AI feature in the S24 series is just brilliant. First thing I need to highlight is the rare camera resolution with up to 200 megapixels. So Samsung Galaxy S24 has a new camera layout, Samsung's smartest AI-powered camera ever. When you pinch the zoom on the S24 Ultra, it automatically switches the lenses. So you get incredible quality at every zoom level. The main camera has 200 megapixels. The ultra wide is 12 megapixels and 3 times zoom is 10 megapixels. There's a brand new 5 times 50 megapixels telephoto lens which can be cropped into 10 times sensor to get a zoom of 12 megapixels. In total, the S24 Ultra has 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times optical zoom quality system. The beauty of this phone that you can switch rare cameras to selfie camera while shooting a video. As a vlogger myself, I love this feature very much. The screen has anti-reflection and glare control, especially during outdoor vlogging under the direct sunlight. Those annoying reflection was quite minimal, even though I had my anti-reflecting screen protector on. Human need is growth. S24 Ultra has definitely helped me to expand as a person, to enjoy the richness of the world, to experience more than an ordinary life. Looking backward can move us forward, but only if we do it right. I was watching a live video between Daryl East and Hafugo. One of the take-home messages was never be afraid to experiment in YouTube and try things. Don't be stuck in your ways. A lot of creators, when they find success in one thing and then keep on hammering on that thing without changing, they will lead you to a slow decline in your channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below. Every comment of yours will help other people to improve their vlogging skills. I see you in my next video. Bye!